Gerhold, and I will be using this statewide school data and SPS to describe or use this video to describe the significant relationship or correlation between the free and reduced lunch percentage and the percentage of students scoring at the exceeding level for districts in the state. For this, I'm going to run the Pearson test to kind of see if there is a what kind of trend, if it's a normal, if it's a strong normal trend, or it's a negative week trend. We are going to kind of look at the correlation here. Now, to do that, I'm going to first click on Analyze. I'm going to click on, after I click on Analyze, I'm going to look at Correlate by Variate. And then I'm going to look at Free and Reduced Lunch. I'm going to pull that over. And then Math Exceed, I'm going to pull that over. Since I am running a Pearson test, I'm going to make sure that is clicked. Now, if I run this test and I'm not meeting the checklist on the normality, the linearity, or the homoscedasticity, I will switch to a Spearman test instead. So I'm going to kind of check to see what we have going on here. So I've got everything clicked. I'm going to click on OK. And then we are going to look at right here to look at the correlation. So the closer it is to 0, that means it is not much of it. Closer it is to um, 0, it's a very weak, not very strong. So we can tell that this is not close to a point 0. It is a very strong. Now we need to look at, is this a positive trend or a negative trend? Now if it is greater than 0, we're looking at a positive trend, or if it is less than 0, we're looking at a negative. So since we're looking at negative 0.696, we're going to say it is a strong negative relation. So, or correlation. So to make sure that I ran the right test, I am going to exit out of here, and I need to check the normality of this. So to do that, first check my normality. I go up to Analyze, and then I click on Descriptive Statistics. Click on Frequencies, and then I've got everything over here that I need to, my free and reduced lunch, my math exceed. Click on Charts. Make sure this is all clicked. Histogram, show normal curve. Click Continue, click OK, and then I'm going to scroll down, and I should have unclicked this, looking at this data, because I want to look at these charts, and it is, if I'm looking at these, it looks like everything is pretty evenly distributed. So I'm going to say it is passing the normality. Next up, I want to check my linearity. So I'm going to exit out of this. To do that, I am going to go up to Graphs, create Chart Builder, and then I want to click on Scatter Dot. Down here, I'm going to drag the scatter plot up here, and then and it doesn't matter what my Y and X is, as long as I'm making sure I'm getting free and reduced lunch. And then Math Exceed, I'm going to drop that down here. I will click OK. And then I'm going to look at this. So if I drew a line through here, we'll see that strong negative trend, but we are also seeing a strong slant line. So that means we are also meeting our linearity, but to meet the homoscedasticity, I need to also check and kind of draw an oval and see if I can kind of make an oval around my scatter plot. And that is also meeting my criteria as well. So this is passing all the tests. We could see that there was a strong negative trend in relationship or correlation between free and reduced lunch and exceeding math level in the district state. And that is how you use SPS to determine that. Thank you.